Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will be showing you a command using which you can tell Nmap to scan ports in sequential manner. Now let me tell you that by default, Nmap algorithm will scan ports numbers in random manner. What do I mean by random manner? Suppose Nmap is scanning port number 21. Then next it will be scanning 500. Then it will be scanning port number 30, and next it can be 443. So it can be any random port number. So in this way, Nmap algorithm is designed to work because it is helpful for evading the firewalls and intrusion detection system. But sometimes it might be a case where you want to specify Nmap to scan the ports numbers in the sequential manner. So how we can do that? Let me show you. Open your terminal and type this command nmap space minus sign r space 192.168.0.105, which is my target IP. So you won't find any difference in the nmap scan result, but in the background nmap has followed the sequential manner for testing this scanning these ports. So in this way, you can specify nmap to scan the port of the specific target in sequential manner.